Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about Run Diffusion website, so which like how you can use this Run Diffusion website for image generation, video generation and much more. Like there are lots of paid tools available there which usually the people use for their own purposes, and you will get all the tools at one place. Okay, and it has some packages plans as well. I'll give you an overview. Okay, so let's go for Run Diffusion. So this is the website rundiffusion.com, so I'll just open it right away. Let me show you the pricing. Here you will get all famous AI tools at one place with only one subscription. Okay, so there are multiple types of subscription like Run It Hobby, Run It Pro, Creators Club, Team, and Enterprise. So this one is for ideal for startup and individual. Okay, so if you're a creator, then it's good for you. Okay, so here you will get all the tools in one place for per month. Okay, so let's check it out. Click on this get started button and create your account first of all at this website. So you can continue with Google, you can also continue with Facebook account. Okay, so here we go. This is my account. We'll continue with this my Google account, and it will fetch all of my Google account details, and our account will be successfully created and we will be logged in. Here you can see that you can see multiple tools like image tools related to image generation, video generation. You can create a short video from an existing image as well. You can make changes to an existing image. You can train a custom AI model as well for using other tools. You can improve the quality as well. There are lots of tools. You can see this, and here you can also see some creativity of the peoples like this. You can see this. This one is my favorite. Look at this. You can see how that looks very realistic, and you can check the quality of the image. Okay, so yes, let me show you for the image generation. Like we want to use this image generation tool, so I will go with this tool. In the free account you get limited credits for using it. Okay, so I'm going to use those credits so that I can show you. Create a poster of thriller movie. Okay, so I have given this prompt, and we will try with this one. Okay, so it's saying like we have limited tokens. I think actually I have already used this account, so let's check another account of mine. Okay, so this is account and create a post of thriller movie. Let's see if it works. So I will click on this continue. Yes, it will work. So it has started working on it, and it will create. I have already created this images. You can see this. Okay, so now it will show us the results. So yes, finally we have got our thriller movie posters, and you can see the results as well. Okay, it's loading. So yes, you can see this the results, and it looks very realistic and amazing. Okay, let me show you another one. This one is the second poster. You can see it looks amazing. So so this is the way you can use Run Diffusion in different ways and utilize these tools and their service. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.